Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing another Miniverse Make It Mini Foods Series 1. We're doing Diner versus Cafe. So, very excited. Okay, I took the wrappers off. I'm going to hope for a blue boba maybe, or one of the drinks I don't have. So, let's start with that. This could be good. It could be the lemon drink. Or is it the lemon drink? No, it could also be the coffee one. Ice. So I think that means I got the lemon one, which is a brand new one that I don't have. I only need 5 from the cafe set, so it was a good chance we were going to get duplicates, but we didn't. I'm so excited. That's the one that the kids wanted as well. My daughter, at least. And this should be the yellowish resin. I can get it open. Yep, it has a lemon on it. Very excited for this. Okay, it says to dump all the resin in first and then put the ice and lemons in. So I'll get everything ready. I have it sitting upside down and I open the top. That way it's easier to get out. I love the bag. It actually has like a little clip on it. And the ice looks like pieces of ice. They only give you 3 slices of lemon. I think those are the cutest. And then you use a straw to kind of push everything down. So let's start filling. Oh yeah, that helps a lot holding it upside down for a bit, even if it's just for a minute or two. That may be all that's in there, because with all the ice and all that, it's going to take up a lot of room. So I'm going to put the lid back on, start dumping everything in, and then we could try to get more out if we need to. I'm going to start with the ice. Actually, I might try to put 1 lemon. Want it against the glass so that you see it in there. I'll put 1 on the other side. It may or may not stay there. We'll see. And these will sink a little bit. Tap them down there. And I think I'm going to leave the last lemon for near the top so you can kind of see it sticking out of the water. Or out of the drink, rather. Add some more ice. Only 2 pieces left. And I think I'll put that like that. Make sure I like how it looks. I'm going to stick the straw in it. Oh, there's something like black on that ice cube. It's like cracked. I just kind of flipped it over. We'll see if there's any more on top. Perfect. Pop the bubbles. They literally give you exactly enough. Okay, I'm going to go set this outside. And I'll be back to show you the final product. Okay, while the other one's resting in the sun, curing, I'm gonna start with the Diner one. I'm hoping to get the mint shake. I have not seen that one at all. I don't think I've seen anyone make it. I got waffles. Hopefully that looks like it might be, oh no, it's pancakes. It looks like it's the one I don't have. The chocolate chip ones, perhaps. Maple syrup. Lots of paperwork in here. These should be chocolate chips. Yay! That's awesome. So I think it was the other day I opened like 2 doubles or 3 right in a row. So that stinks. And there's little banana pieces too. That's cute. Okay. So you're supposed to stack them, then put the resin on, and then all the toppings. I'm kind of concerned they're not going to stick together nicely. I think I might put them like that so they're a little bit hanging out. That way the resin drips over it and then they get stuck together. I don't think if you put resin in between each one, they would end up curing if the sun's not able to get to it. At least that's my theory, I'm not sure. Okay, so we have all these open. Do I want the fork on there or not? I guess so. Maybe under a little? That's kind of cute. They have theirs in the front with a chocolate chip on it. That's kind of cute too. We're just gonna go with this. So I'm gonna put it directly on top and kind of let it run wherever it runs. There's not much resin in here, I could tell. And you could use the fork to move it around if you want. That's probably good. I'm going to use the tweezers to pop the bubble. Maybe spread that around a little bit. Sprinkle some chocolate chips. Add some bananas. I always try to save some extra ones for my daughter. She likes to use them for play. I think that's how I want it, so I'm gonna go set it in the sun to cure. All right, here are the final products. Very happy to have 2 new ones. There's not too many left that we need, but I will continue to do some more on my channel. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.